I feel blessed and honored to get this opportunity to crown Mother Mary on this special day, because it's like a dream come true, because since childhood I've been seeing many bride-to-be girls crowning Mother Mary. Thank you, Mother Mary, for all the numerous showers of blessings you have given to me.
ही परंपरा फक्त शिवोलेच, सुमार 77 वर्सां जाली ही परंपरा शिवोलकरांक एकठांय हाडटा.
On the 8th of December 1943, the statue of Our Lady of Fatima was inaugurated here. Now it is 77 years since we are having these celebrations. And on the 1st of May every year, the bride-to-be is selected to crown Our Lady before she gets married. So this thing has been going, this is the only thing in Shivoli.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिवोलच्यान श्यामसुंदर फडते.